In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap faces in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to prepare your images, find the face swap tool inside Canva, and generate a clean, believable swap with just a few clicks. Start by opening your project in Canva. Make sure the images you want to use are ready inside this project. You'll need two images: the original photo, which is the image you want to change, and the photo containing the face you want to place into that original. For best results, pick photos where the faces are clear, well lit, and facing a similar direction. If either face is heavily tilted, covered by hair or hands, or very low resolution, the swap may not look natural. Preparing your images here simply means confirming they're visible in your project so you can select them when prompted. Next, look to the left sidebar and click on Apps. If your sidebar is collapsed, just expand it so you can see the options. In the search bar within Apps, type Faces Swap. Open the Face Swap app when it appears. This tool will guide you through picking the two images it needs. You'll first be prompted to choose the original image, the base photo, where the new face will appear. Select that photo, then click Use Selected Image to confirm your choice. Take a quick moment to double check that it's the correct base photo before moving on. Now you'll choose the second image, which contains the face you want to swap into the original. Select that image and click Use Selected Image. Aim for a face that's well lit, with a similar angle and expression to the original, as this helps the tool produce a more realistic merge. With both images selected, click Swap Faces. The app will begin processing. This can take a little time depending on your internet connection and the size of the images, so keep the tab open and let it finish. You'll see a progress indicator while it works. When processing is done, your swapped image will appear in your project. Take a moment to look it over. If it doesn't look quite right, it usually helps to pick photos with clearer forward-facing subjects and minimal obstructions, or to try images with lighting that matches more closely. And that's it. Open your project, prepare your two images, go to Apps, search for Face Swap, select your original image, select the face image, then hit Swap Faces and wait for the result. Use this responsibly and with permission from anyone featured. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating your face swaps in Canva.